So the only sci-fi show I've ever seen that does, and I recognized it from you telling me exactly what you just said years ago. It's called The Expanse, and I had so much respect for them because they show a ship headed towards a planet, and the engines you see first firing toward as it's moving towards the planet. So it's like the entire time that they're showing you, like, oh, they're headed to whatever planet. And then they show you, and it looks like the ship is going in reverse.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, but exactly why you said, because they're firing the rockets to slow down. To approach the planet.
Correct.
So cool.
But there's another interesting fact here. While you are firing rockets, there is a force operating on you that you will not be able to distinguish from an ordinary gravitational force. This was deduced by Albert Einstein in what's called the equivalence principle. An accelerating rocket is indistinguishable from you sitting on Earth with Earth's acceleration of gravity, if the two accelerations are equal.
Right.
There's no experiment you can perform other than looking out the window to know if you're in a rocket or sitting here on Earth in a box.
Right.
Okay, so now, what's that movie that had moon pirates?
Oh, that was called Ad Astra.
Ad Astra.
That was Ad Astra.
If you're going to use the phrase Ad Astra, you better get your stuff correct.
That's right.
Okay, Ad Astra means to the stars in Latin.
Right.
This is a deep phrase that we've been using in the space community forever.
Right.
And interestingly, it's on the state flag of Kansas.
For the tornado state, that makes sense.
Darcy,
that makes sense for the tornado state. I was launched Ad Astra. Woo!
So they would show these rockets firing, and you go inside the ship, and they were all weightless.